I know that you guys know that neem is my favorite skincare ingredient. Whenever I hear about a skincare product that has neem in it, I always like, you know what, I have to get that product, I have to buy that product. Recently, I discovered an amazing website called thenaturepure.com. This website deals exclusively in all kinds of natural and organic products. Deval, I don't know whether they say like Deval or Deval, so I will say Deval. Deval is the organic brand that offers you variety of skincare, hair care and other organic products. While browsing this website, when I saw that they are selling neem mist for face, I was like, wow, I want to get this face mist because this is like based on neem and neem is the key ingredient, so I want this face mist. So yes, I immediately placed the order and I got these products like delivered within 2 days because the naturepure.com is Delhi based organization, and so I live in Delhi, so I got my order delivered really fast. So even if you are living in some other cities and you want to place an order, I don't think that they will take like much time in delivering. I think their process is super fast. This is how their neem mist looks like. You can take a closer look. You can see that this comes in a sleek black color shiny plastic bottle, and being black is my favorite color, I really love the packaging. If you can see, there is this golden screw on the top, and then there is this black color spray along with it, and then clear cap to secure this spray. And this packaging looks so classy. Even their sticker, which is like black, green and yellow and in color with like white color and green color detailings, this is so classy. This looks really classy, trust me. I don't know if camera is doing that kind of justification to it good looks, but yeah, this is really good looking bottle. This is really classy. I'm so happy with the packaging. 5 out of 5 for the packaging, guys. Deval neem mist is 100% natural and it is made of neem leaves extract, hibiscus flowers, S-lactate, which is like derived from pure milk water base. So this doesn't have like any kind of chemicals or any other artificial things in it. This is like purely neem based product. And even if you can smell, if you smell, even if you smell this product, like this smells like neem. You can feel that smell of when you mix neem leaves and water, like that kind of smell you get. So this has like that sort of, but it has like some citrus hints to it. So yes, this is really nice smell. I really like the fragrance of it. Let's just hear like what Deval has to say about their product. Deval says that pollution disturbs the glow, color and freshness of the skin. Yes, it is. But the antibacterial and antioxidant properties of neem safely protect you from it. Neem mist refreshes the face and the mind instantly and gives a cooling effect to the face, leaving it revitalized and radiant. Directions to use is that you take this spray, like then spray all over your face, leave it for like 30 seconds and then you can wipe using a tissue or a clean hanky as well. I use this neem mist as a part of my night care skin routine. First I wash my face using a face wash and then I apply this mist and then I go to sleep. I do not apply any cream in this crazy weather because my skin is really oily and it cannot sustain any greasiness, any oiliness in this crazy humid weather. Yeah, I spray it all over my face. I keep it for like 30 seconds and then just wipe it away. It just cools down my skin. I don't know, maybe even after wash also, like it feels so refreshed, but even after applying this face mist, I feel so refreshing, so refreshed. Even like my mind feels so refreshed because of its so herbal fragrance. I really like herbal fragrances. So my mind, my face like feels so relaxed. And yeah, I know that I have oily skin, but even if sometimes these days I'm using Garnier face wash, and after applying Garnier face wash I sometimes feel the need to apply cream, but I don't apply cream. But when I apply this face mist, I don't feel the need to apply any kind of cream. This mist has like moisturizing properties, so it feels slight sticky to my skin, like I have oily based skin, but on dry skin and normal skin, like this feels just the right. And on my oily skin only, like it feels little sticky at times. So I use very little all over my face. My normal day is that I go to work, like I go to office and then I vlog. I travel to work using like metros, autos, buses, like any public transport. So my exposure to pollution, to the dust is much more as compared to those girls like who are driving on in their own cars. So yes, even like I'm saying that I've been using this product for last 1 week. If you say that today you apply it and then you want to feel like any kind of difference, within a day or two you will not feel any kind of difference with this product. You have to be a little patient with that. So I've been using this product from last 1 week. I feel so refreshed that, and it gives me a feeling that it has like pulled away like all kind of like pollution, dirt and any other harmful things from my skin. I could see visible results with this product within a week of usage, and I could definitely feel difference in my skin. My skin feels so refreshed. Like even on the next morning whenever I used to get up, my skin used to look so refreshed and so clear. This is so travel friendly that you can just toss it around in your travel bag, and whenever in the day like you feel like giving you a little touch up or feeling refreshed, just spray a little all over your face, use a wipe, and then your face is like really clean. And since you don't have to apply any kind of cream, so yeah, this is really great product to feel refreshed and relaxed like anytime. This 100 ml bottle is priced at rupees 250, and I feel that this price is just sufficient for this product, since this is an organic product, and normally organic products are in like slight expensive category. Like you will get any normal chemical based mist for maybe like for 100 rupees, but that won't do that good to your skin which like this spray will do. Finally, I'm summing up the review. This packaging is great. You can carry it around like anywhere. This is a travel friendly bottle. Packaging looks so classy, elegant, like you can keep like anywhere on your vanity table and it will look just perfect. This is an organic product. It has neem in it. It is really easy to use, and this works like an astringent to your face, like an antibacterial. And yeah, the only minus point is that it is slight sticky for oily skin people, and yeah, of course, yeah, it suits like all skin types. So for the stickiness I will deduct few marks. Like I have to use like just a little each time because I have to be really careful. So I will say like this product will rate around like 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, I'm quite satisfied and quite happy with this product, and I will recommend this product to you. If you're looking forward to invest in such kind of product, then you can try this product. I think you will like this product, and yeah, I really like this product, so I'm hoping that this will be helpful for you. Let me know like if you buy this product and what is your experience. I would love to know like your experience. You can always email me, you can always leave your comments and suggestions in the comments section below, and also please don't forget to hit like for my video, and if you like, then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care, bye.